So I've shared this weed puller quite a while ago, maybe 3 years ago, and it still works great. This one's from Fiskars, so it's a brand that everybody knows, and it works just really well. So I thought I would share it as I was pulling up a bunch of them. I already pulled up most of them, and I started thinking, you know, this would be a good time to actually do a demonstration for this. I already did a bunch of them over here. And we all know how annoying these darn things can be, popping up all over the place. Alright, so all you have to do is just stab it right in the center of it. You could use this to help push it down. And then you could use this also to lever it and just pull it back like so. And you could pull that whole thing out. And then you could eject it just like that. So it works really well. Super easy to get these out. As you can see, I can pull them out really quick with this. This definitely makes it a lot easier. I think just my quick demonstration will show how well this can work and how quickly you can get your weeds up with it. This is the Fiskars weed puller. I definitely recommend it. I've had it for 3 years. And if it was to break, I would go get another one.